SpeedBlock CMU System is transforming the construction industry. A 25,000 square foot retail space rises, its structural walls completed in just 3 weeks. A clear testament to SpeedBlock's unparalleled efficiency. This build represents more than a structure. It marks a significant milestone. Now, let's review the specifics of this construction feat. A concrete masonry build. The dimensions, 159 feet by 155 feet, scaling to a height of 29 feet. To put that into perspective, that's 628 linear feet, or 22,400 square feet of wall area. This project utilized 350 SpeedBlock CMUs, in contrast to the 22,000 traditional blocks typically required. The execution? 2 dedicated installation teams, comprised of 7 workers, supported by 2 mobile cranes. With SpeedBlock, efficiency is imperative. All blocks and hardware arrive on site, pre-labeled and organized for immediate installation. This not only saves time, but also significantly reduces on-site waste and clutter. The site preparation took 2 weeks, including establishing the footer wall. We joined the project as the base wall is being set.
Okay guys, we got the hole drilled out, we got the wedge anchor in place, we shot the elevations, we're conforming with all our perimeter areas. We note that the spacer is an 1/8 inch. We put our 1/8 inch spacer on the bottom, this is our base plate. Get our coupler set. All your tools are going to be battery powered, that's the beauty about SpeedBlock. You don't have to hook around extension cords. Give it a nice little torque, 1 or 2. You already have your pre-cut threaded rods. Put it on right there. Nice and snug so you get 3 or 4 teeth. That's it, that's all it takes for a base plate. You can start stacking blocks on this. You do the same process for the next one, minus the drilling of the bolts, you're done.
The installation pace accelerates once the foundational base wall is secured, with the team and cranes working in coordination to position the blocks. Precision is paramount. Each block is meticulously placed, leveled, and affixed using the proprietary hardware system provided. Upon reaching several tiers, M-type mortar is employed, reinforcing the bond between the SpeedBlock block units.
Our focus when developing SpeedBlock was to address some of the many issues that are facing today's developers and builders. Some of the majors include skilled labor shortages, the rigors of masonry work on the employees, and their users continue to demand the buildings go up faster. Now with SpeedBlock, we're able to provide the builders the opportunity to build their projects at faster rates, with smaller crews, and with less wear and tear on those teams. All of this while providing stronger finished walls built at record speeds.
Maintaining a consistent rhythm, the team lays 15 blocks per day on average, compared to the pace of traditional methods, which would typically require a 21-person crew over a 6-week span. Moreover, SpeedBlock satisfies all building certifications, including ASTM C90 specifications for CMUs and the Building Code ICC ESL listing, confirming its status as a superior CMU.
As a licensed professional engineer with more than 22 years of experience, SpeedBlock, with the use of high-strength materials such as the grout, meets or exceeds the local and state codes. It is fully compliant with ASTM C90, easy to build, easy to design, and it will truly revolutionize the construction industry.
As the final blocks are expertly positioned, we pivot to the roof construction phase. Thanks to pre-installed hardware, roof panels are swiftly affixed, bringing the building's outer shell to completion. A 25,000 square foot construction build, completed in a mere 3 weeks by 2 7-person crews. SpeedBlock is not just building, it's transforming the very landscape of concrete masonry construction. Make SpeedBlock part of your next project. Call today, 833-773-3325, or visit speedblock.com.